Hey, welcome, MTV. Come check out my crib. We'll get right to the good stuff and show off our master bathroom. Complete with exotic 3cm granite. And sorry ladies, no lid for the toilet over here. Let's check out the rest. If you're ever wondering where Amber and Morgan are hiding, they're usually jammed up behind these computers making deals happen. This is Heather and I's office. Check out this custom artwork. Got it straight from Bed Bath & Beyond. Let's check out the kitchen. This is where the magic starts for every agent on our team, the coffee maker. Let's check out the fridge. Everybody loves Gentilly cake. Red Bull's a must for making the calls and following up with leads. I couldn't go any further without a Activia probiotic. I live off this stuff. Here's our conference room where we do one-on-one agent meetings as well as meetings with buyers and sellers. Now let's go check out upstairs. Here's another agent office room. Some more agent offices this way. And here's the war room. Custom LED TV. This is for meeting presentations and Netflix binge watching. Let's go check out the cars. We got the black Lexus, the F250, the always gas efficient Nissan Altima and V-Dub. And last but not least, for our overnight speedy home selling service, customized FedEx van. Well, MTV, thank you so much for stopping by. You've seen our crib, you've seen our rides. You ain't got to go, but you can't stay here. We've got clients to tend to.